Okay, so someone wanted me to do a video on how the body works in cross-talking and how it works in segments. So basically, you've got to look at your body as what works together, what fires together, and how the body communicates to one another through cells and through hormones and glands and brain chemistry and all that stuff. So if you look at the body, basically the three big things that work together that's so important and has so many other factors that are contributed to it. So your thyroid, your adrenal glands and your pancreas communicate 24/7 together. Now you've got heaps of things. You've got insulin, you've got adrenal glands for energy, you've got thyroid for metabolism of everything. So they're all part of the energy chain, breaking down metabolism for energy, for focus, for neural drive, for everything for the body, insulin to uptake glucose and take it into the cells and where it needs to in the body. So they work synergistically together. You've also got things to do with the cross-talking of the gut and the brain connection. So that's really important. So gut and brain work together on a level that is huge in science. And I'd be here for hours telling you literally what it all can do, and I probably don't even know it all. So the more healthier your gut is, your overall whole body and health is going to be phenomenally, incredibly well and better. Probiotics, gut relief, things to kill parasites, lots of good fats, water, detoxing, really good herbs, lots of antioxidants, so lots of veggies and salads and really good teas. The gut, as powerful as it is extremely sensitive to things that can happen in it, and the body can decay at a very accelerated rate the more the gut is damaged. For example, the gut can get lined with, if you have too much fish, so too much ciguatera, too much mercury. So, tinned fish needs to really be avoided because the amount of mercury and ciguatera, you have no idea where it's coming from the world. It needs to be deep sea fish, so you're better off just having salmon. And you need to stay away from farmed fish, and especially farmed salmon as well. It's just anything that is not natural to the body. And if you're going against a blood type, if you have certain problems, whether it's burst ulcers or something in your gut, then it gets very scientific of what to do and what to avoid. So, and the gut works with the brain full on. So neural drive, focus, stamina, endurance, concentration, it's just another link in the chain that is just so valuable and so important for so many reasons. People take it for granted and then, wonder why they feel sick or go to the bathroom too much or can't focus and feel like they're trying to push a thought basically like through jelly. So when people have a lot of dairy, gluten, wheat and contaminated of everything, chips and chocolates and yogurts and all that crap, it inflames the body, it inflames the brain and the gut, and every single cell of the body, and it's like cortisol, and even cortisol then comes in and can make all that stuff work. Realizing what is happening to you and things you need to cut out, you'll be amazed at how quick your body will recenter itself, refocus itself, become in balance and harmony with itself, and you might be able to sleep less and have less anxiety and stress, and everything is contributed. So if you're being conscious of everything you put in 24/7 and how it works with the body and what you feel and what you don't feel, then all you have to do is just take a good look at yourself and go, well, maybe I just need a little bit more carbs or a few more, maybe some fruit or something, or just a few more fats. Like, you can apply any type of nutrition once you have it in a really optimal, healthy range. It's not a complicated science. We tend to make it out to be, and when the body suffers for whatever reason it is, then it gets very scientific and you have to go and get tests done, because even I can only work with what I can see. I can identify a lot of symptoms straight off from seeing people, no worries, and ask a stack of questions. But not knowing what's going on inside, you just can't see. So, and having optimal brain chemistry, making sure that's, firing and working well. So you got so many different types of neurotransmitters, all like 8, and so many different types of receptor sites that work extremely synergistically with the gut, relaying signals up and down and work on a level that's just so complex. But the more you look after yourself, have good sleep, identify all the signs and symptoms that your body's having. And if you don't know what to do, send me something, write something up, and I'll be more than happy to help. I mean, I've had plenty of different types of health issues through my life. I've partied like mad, I've ate crap food, but at the same time, I still did lots of detoxing, I trained, I ate good. But, I was a party animal, but, now it's just, I'm boring. I just study, I just research, I just train and do all that stuff. But, you know what? I love it to a T, and I'll be doing it for the rest of my life. My knowledge is very vast, and if I don't know it, I'll be able to find out the research and lick the dots piece of cake. Brain chemistry is an extremely important part. I mean, the more healthy the brain is and the gut, the whole of the body is going to fire and work so much better. I'll leave it at that. And good luck. Any problems, anything you want to know, just send me something and I'll fine tune it for you and send it off to you. Cool. Cheers and all the best. Good luck.